first I use my primer to just moisturize my face a little bit. And to be honest, I'm not a professional, so anything you see, just leave it like that. Also, I'm sure you guys can hear the rain. If you feel like you need to rest or something you can watch before you go to bed, or something therapeutic, I think this is the place for you, because the rain sound is already there. You just have to watch me do my makeup and relax, grab a snack, or just watch me. Also, like, I usually use these palettes for my foundation, concealer and contour, because it's faster and I just want to quickly dip in everywhere. And also the powder cannot go to waste, because a lot of the things here are not my shade. My mirror is here, so I have to look at this direction. Also, I try to do my neck, because my neck is darker than my face, and I just want everything to blend. I think the rain is a paid actor, because I was wondering what music I'm going to put in the background, but now the rain has helped me, so I don't need to put any music in the background. So I want to do my concealer, so I'll use this color, this shade, transparent, something lighter than my foundation. For my contour, I usually prefer to use a darker shade of this palette. This one. And the thing is that I'm not a professional, but if you feel like me and you have the same shade, you can just follow what I'm doing. Because if you are using all the liquid products, like you have to blend your concealer, blend your foundation, blend your liquid contour, and to be honest, I really don't have time for all those. That is why I decided to use just one palette for everything. Just like butter, like a criminal undercover. Dun, dun. I don't even know what it means. Make it a two shapes of like a oil up to another. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I really hope I'm not singing rubbish. I got a silver circle, so ooh, just a feeling I still love it. Cause I can do it, baby. Cause now, let me show you everything. Love so bad, let it go. Dun, 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 dun. Now let's apply the blush. Like I've been doing my makeup for so long now, but I'm not still perfect with the blush placement, so I just put it anyhow. Even if someone tell me, oh, blush is not meant to be here, I'll say leave it like that. It's just my style, you know. Because I naturally have full brows, I just try to comb it out and join them together. So I don't really do much for my brows. After doing my brows, I'll just start with eyeshadow. And if you can guess what color I'm going to use from this palette, like just pause the video and just guess like what will she use. And if you guessed it right, you might actually be a psychic or have powers that nobody knows about. For my eyeshadow, I prefer using a smaller mirror because I'm short-sighted and I need something closer to me so I can see properly. You know, this technique is very relaxing because you just have to go back and forth, back and forth. And the next product is my eyeliner. I just have to take it across my eyes. When I usually do my eyeliner, my hands are usually shaky because I don't want to make a mistake. After doing like my eyeliner, the next is mascara. And it's always important for me to do mascara because I'm not used to lashes. Another thing I try to do is to apply mascara to my lower lashes because it always makes your makeup look softer. See, my hands are shaky. I don't want to make a mistake because whenever you do your makeup and you just make a little mistake here or the mascara goes down to this part of your eye, it's so difficult to correct it. And what I'll start with next is lip liner. After doing this step, what I usually do is just to use a black pencil to overline my lips. And this step, I try to be careful because I don't want it to go outside my lips too much, and I need to draw a very thin and straight line. And this is how it's meant to be when I put my black liner, but I can't leave it like that because my mouth is going to be so dry. So I will just use this to rub it all over my lips. I think I applied too much on the brush. So I'll clean it and start again. Also, after every step, I just have to reapply my powder again. Also, I said I had something important to share. If you feel lost, bored, or you don't know what to do with your life at this point, but you just want to start something, check out the description below this video. It has like 82 business and income idea you can start. Just click the link in the description, it will take you there, and it also helps you to choose an idea that suits you. So I'm done with the whole makeup, and what I just have to do is to put my setting spray. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else. But I have a little gift for you. This is just small powder because you're probably watching with an oily face. So come closer.